Hey, hi, hello, and welcome back to this channel. And today is going to be an unboxing video, and we have the E4K action cam. This is the review unit sent to us by someone from E Technologies. Thanks to them. So this action camera was launched way back in 2016 and comes under the budget action cam category. Right now, let's unbox this and get to see what's there inside the box and see how it performs in 2019. Now let's get this e-action cam unboxed. So let's remove the outer box. Label has all the details that you need. Video specification, supports up to 4K 30 frames. Sony 12 megapixel CMOS sensor. You can find the importer's name and the price of the MRP of this product, 14,499, and this is imported by E-Trading Marketing Private Limited, and the address is there. Let's put this aside and get the main unit. So let's put this aside for now. Micro USB port. Shoots at 4K video and 12 megapixel photo. Here we have a 1/4 inch mount, and here we have the battery and the memory card storage area. Let's put this aside. Let's dig in deep. Now this card gives you which memory card to use and the other products of E as well. Is the warranty card. We have a E sticker. So here we have the instruction manual, and we have a USB port, a USB B type port. We have the battery. This is 1400 mAh. Each battery can last up to 2 hours. Which brings us to the camera itself. At the front is the f2.8 155-degree wide-angle lens covering a Sony image sensor, which is capable of capturing 4K video and 12 megapixel stills along with the status indicator light. At the bottom is a battery and the micro SD compartment along with a 1/4 inch mount. On the side is a micro USB charging port. On the top are the dual microphone ports and a speaker grill. The entire back of the unit is taken up by a 640 by 360 pixel wide format touchscreen. The viewfinder is butter smooth, so was the menu navigation. So whether if you're changing a setting or you're looking back at the clip you just shot, which is doable over Wi-Fi. E4K actually supports changing all the settings and previewing your old shots through their mostly stable app on your phone, if you prefer that approach. E, begin recording. E, stop recording. E, take photo. E, shoot burst. E, turn off. So yeah, this is on the hood of my car, the front hood of my car, and we are recording. I'll be recording the time lapse and the video as well. So we'll see how it turns out. from the waterproof case. I'm not sure how it is sounding to you guys. So this is how the sound would normally be when the action cam is inside the waterproof case. So yeah, I'm looking at myself in the phone using the action cam app. So yeah, so far so good. I mean, like, I like this action cam better than the one I have, and you guys know which one it is. Alright guys, you're looking at the built-in mic from the action cam. The only drawback action cam is just that it doesn't support an external mic, so you cannot use a lavalier mic or Rode mic or something like that. So this is how it will sound inside a closed surface. I mean, inside a closed compound. The mic is very sensitive and it will pick up all the decibels it gets. So you guys do let me know how it sounds inside the car in the comment section. The battery duration is generally about 2 hours or so. So if you're somebody who's recording 4K all the time, you will get nearly 1 hour 15 minutes or 2 hours, and if you're somebody who shoots at 1080p, you're gonna get more than 2 hours to 2.2 hours. That's 2 hours and 20 minutes. Now I've mounted this action cam onto the tripod which I'm using, and since it has a quarter-inch thread, I don't need an external case to mount this on a tripod. But then the other issue is that this is not waterproof, so you will require a case to mount it onto your bikes or your helmet, or to use it as a vlogging camera. So in that case you will need a waterproof case which is sold separately. It does not come along with the package of this camera, which you need to buy it separately. After using this camera for a week, let's talk about the pros and cons to conclude this video. So let's take into account the cons first. The camera does not support an external mic, it only has a built-in mic. So what happens is you cannot use it for motovlogging, because since there's no external mic support, you cannot have a mic connected to your helmet and use it audio to vlog during your riding or something like that. Now the second con is the camera itself is not waterproof, so you'll need a separate waterproof casing. But then apart from this, I don't find any other faults in the camera after using it for a week. I mean, like, only these two are the issues that I faced. Now these two cons also have been rectified in the next model. It's called E4K Plus action camera. So now let's look at the pros. I love the user interface. It is very smooth, and it's damn smooth, and it's easy to navigate, and the voice command is working perfectly as it should be. Quarter-inch thread mount is very useful. The battery life is great. It can record up to 2 hours on average if you're shooting at 1080p pixels. And last but not the least, it's the pricing. Around 10,000 rupees Indian currency. It comes under budget action cam category, and most of you people can make use of it. I have put the link for this product in the description. Alright guys, to conclude this video, let me know which action cam you guys are using, and let me know what you think about this E4K action cam in the comment section. I would really love to know what you guys think about this camera in particular. So with that being said, thank you so much. Thank you guys. We have reached 19,000 and we are on the way to 20,000. Thank you so much. Keep supporting. All the best. Have a great day. Bye.